In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify store with Google Search Console. This process is important because it tells Google that you own your website and allows you to see valuable data about how your store appears in search results. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option that says Online Store. Don't click it yet. Instead, move your mouse over it and hover. When you do this, you should see a small eye icon appear on the right side of that option. Go ahead and click that eye icon. This will open a preview of your live store in a new tab or window. Now, look at the address bar at the very top of your browser. This is where your store's URL appears. Carefully select and copy the full URL you see there. This is the exact link we'll need in order to verify your store with Google Search Console. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Search Console, then log into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside Search Console, look at the top left corner. You'll see a drop-down field that lists your current properties, or it may be empty if you haven't added any yet. Click that drop-down and then choose the option that says Add Property. A pop-up window will appear, giving you two choices for how to add your site, one for a full domain and one for a URL prefix. Since we just copied the exact URL of your Shopify store, select the URL prefix option. In the field provided, paste the URL you copied from your store preview. Double check that it matches your store link, then click the Continue button. Now, Google will attempt to verify that you own this URL. In many cases with Shopify, this verification can happen automatically because your Google account and Shopify setup may already be connected in the background. Wait a few moments while Google runs the verification process. Once it's done, you should see a pop-up message saying that ownership has been auto-verified. That means your Shopify store is now successfully connected to Google Search Console, and you're ready to start tracking how your site performs in Google Search.